Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 1st July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. India is observed National Doctors' Day every year on. Answer is 1st July. India is observed National Doctors' Day every year on 1st July, the birth anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, an eminent physician, academician, freedom fighter and politician. The theme for National Doctors' Day 2024 is Healing Hands, Caring Hearts. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy was an Indian physician, educationist and statesman who served as Chief Minister of West Bengal from 1950 until his death in 1962. Question number 2. In India, Goods and Services Tax (GST) Day is observed every year on. Answer is 1st July. The GST Day is observed on 1st July to mark the Goods and Services Tax implementation. The new indirect tax system came into force on 1st July 2017 after being launched in a ceremony held in Parliament on the midnight of 30th June. France is the first country to implement GST in 1954. Assam was the first state to ratify the GST bill. The first state to pass state GST bill is Telangana. The idea of GST was first proposed in 2006 by the then Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. Question number 3. Chartered Accountants Day is observed every year on. Answer is 1st July. The Chartered Accountants Day, or CA Day, is held on 1st July every year in India. It is also known as ICAI Foundation Day. The Chartered Accountant Day theme for 2024 is Innovating for a Sustainable Future. The day is marked to commemorate the foundation of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, on 1st July 1949. Question number 4. International Fruit Day is observed every year on. Answer is 1st July. 1st July is celebrated as International Fruit Day to all over the world. This International Fruit Day was first announced in 2007 and celebrated at the Wall Park in Berlin, Germany. International Fruit Day addresses to all people who create and preserve positive living conditions. Question number 5. SBI Foundation Day has observed every year on. Answer is 1st July. State Bank of India Foundation Day has celebrated every year on 1st July. It is the 69th Foundation Day. SBI is the oldest commercial bank in the country and was founded pre-independence as the Bank of Calcutta in 1806. SBI Foundation Day celebrates the foundation of the bank in 1st July 1955. SBI has over 22,500 branches, 63,580 ATMs or ATWMs, and 82,900 business outlets as of March 2024. Question number 6. India won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 title by defeated which country? Answer is South Africa. Rohit Sharma-led Indian team won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 final by defeated South Africa by 7 runs on 29 June 2024. Virat Kohli clinched the Player of the Match award for his scintillating knock of 76 runs off 59 balls. Jasprit Bumrah was crowned the player of the tournament for his outstanding bowling performance, claiming 15 wickets in just 8 matches. Question number 7. who has become the fastest double centurion in women's Test cricket? Answer is Shefali Verma. India women's team's star opener, Shefali Verma became the fastest double centurion in the history of women's Test cricket. On 28 June 2024, Shefali's double century, 205 runs, scored off just 194 balls during the one-off test against South Africa in Chennai. Shefali eclipsed the double century record of Annabel Sutherland of Australia, who had achieved the feat of 248 deliveries in a test against South Africa in February 2024. Question number 8. Who has become as India's most valuable brand as per Brand Finance? Answer is Tata Group. According to the Brand Finance's India 100 2024 report, Tata Group retained the number 1 position in the brand value ranking 2024 with brand value of $28.6 billion. Infosys continues to retain its second spot with brand value $14.2 billion, followed by HDFC Group in the third spot with brand value of $10.4 billion. Taj retains its reputation as the strongest Indian brand for the third consecutive year with a AAA+ brand strength rating. And now, you can purchase our monthly current affairs PDFs. Last 6 months, January to June 2024, current affairs PDFs available at 189 rupees only. You can check video's description for purchase link, or you can WhatsApp me for PDFs. Question number 9. India's largest leopard safari has been inaugurated in. Answer is Karnataka. India's largest and third leopard safari has been launched at Bannerghatta Biological Park, BBP, in Bengaluru, Karnataka. The leopard safari at Bannerghatta Biological Park, BBP, covers an area of 20 hectares and is currently home to 8 leopards. Bannerghatta Biological Park, BBP, was separated from Bannerghatta National Park, BNP, in 2004 and gained its status as a national park in 1974. Question number 10. Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin scheme has been announced by. Answer is Maharashtra. While presenting the financial budget 2024-25 in the House, the Maharashtra state government has announced Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin Yojana 2024 to provide financial assistance to the women of the state, through which financial assistance will be provided every month to all women from 18 to 60 years of age from the economically weaker section of the state. All the beneficiary women will be provided 1,500 rupees every month. Question number 11. Who has been elected as the President of the European Council? Answer is Antonio Costa. Former Prime Minister of Portugal, Antonio Costa has been elected as the new President of the European Council of the European Union. Antonio Costa will replace Charles Michel of Belgium and take charge on 1 October 2024. European Council also selected Estonian Prime Minister Kaja Kallas as the next High Representative for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy. The European Council is the top body of the 27-member European Union. Question number 12. Pahalman Subba passed away. He was the first elected Lok Sabha MP from which state? Answer is Sikkim. Pahalman Subba, Sikkim's first elected Member of Parliament, MP, Lok Sabha, passed away at Gangtok, Sikkim. He won the 1980 election on a Sikkim Janata Party ticket and served as an MP until 1984. He was second MP of Sikkim and first to win a contested election. Sikkim became a state of the Indian Union in 1975. Chatra Bahadur Chhetri of the Indian National Congress was the first MP from Sikkim. He was elected unopposed during the 1977 election. Question number 13. Who took over as the 30th Chief of Army Staff? Answer is Upendra Dwivedi. General Upendra Dwivedi took over as the 30th Chief of Army Staff on 30th June 2024, succeeding General Manoj Pandey. General Upendra Dwivedi was currently serving as a 4-star general officer in the Indian Army. Prior to his appointment as the Army Chief, he held the post of 46th Vice Chief of Army Staff. Question number 14. Who was appointed as the head coach of the Pakistan women's cricket team? Answer is Mohammad Wasim. Mohammad Wasim, the former Pakistan batter and mains chief selector, has been appointed head coach of the women's national team, with the T20 Asia Cup a little under a month away. Junaid Khan and Abdur Rahman, both former Pakistan bowlers, will serve as assistant coach and spin bowling coach, respectively. No batting coach has been appointed, and it is understood that Wasim will act in that role himself. Question number 15. Who has launched the Sangyan app for depth information on 3 new criminal laws? Answer is Indian Railways. The Director General of Railway Protection Force, RPF, Manoj Yadav has launched the mobile application Sangyan app. It will provide in-depth information on 3 new criminal acts: the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, and the Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam, BSA, 2023. It is designed and developed by the tech team of Railway Protection Force, RPF. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.